There is absolutely nothing that this gentleman right here doesn't know about DN Solutions machine, so I'm about to quiz him on this multitasking DNX 2100. Alexander here is going to give us a nice and swift machine review on this multitasking DNX 2100. Right, why have you brought this to market, Alexander?
Yeah, thank you very much, Lyndsey. So why did we develop the DNX 2100S? So first of all, you wanted to give our customer a solution, right? And here we have to look at the customer perspective and their daily struggle points, which are really the batch size is getting small, the parts are getting more complex, the tools are limited on current way of machinings, and this is where we need to find a solution for our customers to go to the step of multitasking machining. Thanks to the 60 tool magazine in combination with the B-axis, we give our customers the possibility to be ready for these applications and to be more efficient in the manufacturing.
And you can change over tools and not stop the machine, can't you?
Exactly. And this is one of the key advantages, for example, over a standard turret lathe. When you use the turret lathe, the machine is in downtime, right? You have to change your tools and the machine is stopped. Here, you change your tools while the machine is running, so the setup costs are dramatically reduced.
Okay, and the configuration of the machine?
Yeah, 100%. I always recommend to have a sub-spindle in the machine, yeah? But the sub-spindle is a kind of integrated automation already. You can transfer your part, you machine your parts complete, and in combination with the B-axis, you have your tool to be positioned on the main spindle side and on the sub-spindle side. So you need less tools automatically due to the flexible B-axis.
And the head of the machine as well. You're turning, you're milling.
Yeah.
So is there anything interesting about the head of this machine?
Yeah, so the head comes with 12,000 RPM. So here we really have the possibility to go high in RPM for machining aluminium or some tiny drills. Plus, in combination with a big Y-axis stroke of plus minus 150 millimeters, so in total 230, we are also very flexible to cover the milling parts in this machine. And when it comes to turning, the B-axis is clamped. And here we have a double disc clamping to be really rigid for the turning applications.
I mean, it's automation ready, FANUC and Siemens control. So what are some of the favorite things you would say about this machine and who needs it?
Yeah, first of all, every customer, or let's say nearly every customer, is facing the situation of having small batch sizes and limitation in tools. And here everybody needs those kind of machines. And my favorite characteristic of this machine is definitely the B-axis, so the turn mill spindle head, in combination with the tool magazine, in combination with all the measuring equipments, touch probe for workpiece measuring, tool measuring. It makes the machine to become a multi-talent to serve our customers' needs.
One-hit machining.
Yes, exactly,
That's
one-hit machining.